Hey everyone, if you want to write a powerful resume summary that gets attention from recruiters, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to write a resume summary on resume.com in 2026. First, sign into resume.com and open your resume editor. This is where you will add your professional summary at the top of your resume. Next, find the summary section. This is usually placed right under your name and contact details. Start by describing who you are. Mention your job role or profession in one clear sentence. Then add your experience level. Include how many years of experience you have or what you specialize in. Next, highlight your key skills. Focus only on skills that are relevant to the job you are applying for. After that, add a small achievement or value you bring. This helps you stand out from other candidates. Finally, keep your summary short and clear, around 2 to 3 lines. Avoid making it too long or complicated. So yeah, that's how you write a strong resume summary on resume.com. Follow each step carefully, and your resume will look more professional and get more attention from employers. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more career tutorials for fast and easy guides.